Hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is XT Juice. The airline here can't some volley lahwan and James on here. He did down finding your share. Gala new bell my view when you young sheriff no cat to tap some cat in your in junction. Young sheriff,
Naam.
I cannot tell a weekend ma Premier League La Liga the year the tap mean the tap marineri me. Manchester City mean Chelsea send you ban Peter. Manchester City send you ban Chelsea Parata. Fumpum Bumala 6 games. Sorry, 7 games. Never me. Manchester City bande me 7 games ma throughout. Ka winner za. Nye benyela ba yan win Premier League. Bumi next match nyela bumi Arsenal. Akpamu pune. Arsenal nye ba no to break ba. Bebe nti Arsenal ka go through bu match no maza.
Okay. Pour niveau so kamza ha won yunde the channel ngoma mazo. Sashel kamza ha tente kate jinnati yel jamani yi jami twa. And back to our question, my football season man yala dan labna. So the me labna and so much excitement ka nte shaba ka shami ban side excitement can because losing a game the entire excitement and team shanga lose ya ka team shanga winning, and that's what football is. So Premier League season my love now with so much surprises I should say, because Arsenal losing their game at home against Bournemouth is a surprise to the footballing nation, man. And the City advantage to capitalize on it by winning 3 goals to 0 against Chelsea. Tapa close gap, man, with still a game in hand, because City Namala 1 game shell in hand to play apart from being me Arsenal. So right now the points gap is 6 points difference between City and Arsenal. Because City number 1 game in hand. So but a game in hand is not a point in hand. That game City need to lose it. So they reap so much advantage. But at the final stages of every league season, Guardiola will take things for granted. He will fight for everything. So City in a bandage dealer outstanding match, man, it will be remaining with 3 points. And in the remaining of the games, man, City win Arsenal match now. And I believe that's the title decider. The only way Kala match might be in the title decider if Kala match might be draw. But I'm sure that match, man, whoever wins that match will win the Premier League. I'm very sure of it. And anchor to you, the game between City mean Chelsea man that war, and between that show your City that war the reason why Cabo dominate the Premier League, man, in these past few years, man, because of Bramila not good first half, because playing a 0-0 first half, coming back to score 3 goals in 17 minutes. Wuram Kama, they were out there to fight. Whether do or die, they should win, and they did win. And you'll Nico O'Reilly is someone that you love goal. That same goal could have Arsenal in the Carabao Cup final. Man. That same style of goal, man, arriving in the box, Kasubuto take Subuto track Kunyela free head and Akadima. And the second goal, you look at Ryan checking it to Ningsham and Tichuhala pass my Chama. You just know City my quality. They have a whole lot of quality players. And I'm so convinced that next week Arsenal Man City game will be the title decider. But who will win the league, it will be depending on that match. For now, I don't have any prediction and predict about win the Premier League match, because from onset, Draculism in the Arsenal season when Arsenal been. So that would tell match week 32 or match week 33. We'll be talking about City Nabila race and Baby Lankan. And here is the case. City are still in the race, and Guardiola is still doing wonders. Then Tonon Guardiola la wonders might be Arsenal by proving more. And Arsenal have the squad and the mentality to go through. The Kunya Bande use the chances well and stop losing unnecessary matches like match Shelvin that lose against Bournemouth. I look at the last goal Shelvin that conceded, man. A champion doesn't concede those kind of goals, man. So Arsenal need to wake up, because City City have nothing to lose. Man City Premier League, man, they did not lose anything. they have showed pressure, they have put pressure on Arsenal, and they have already won one trophy. Karena Arsenal kabadika Paul. So bana blank Paul Premier League magba baba lose. But Arsenal ban mistake lose Premier League they have lost it all. Even having for Champions League, they could ngar la ball.
So I come up for the next match shedding Yerumi Arsenal. Like Ula can lehere. Upon Arsenal went to go to the Villa match.
I see that match to be a very difficult match for both sides, man. Because that match, man, last match, man, in Arsenal.
Yeah.
Emirates carrying you. Even though match one and a Victor Yokeresh in the park, I don't know whether by then when you are back from the but it will be a very difficult match. It will be a very, very difficult match. I don't know, but the Ninvo Shaban Nzwar Guardiola, my baby, but doubt in what Guardiola can do, man. The Mala feelings come Man City and Pierre Emirates into Dibakayina. Because Guardiola show him consistently why he should be one of the greatest managers. Doing it back to back to back, man. So Guardiola Man City ni chang into the Arsenal at Emirates. There's nothing new. They yet to apply Shelley and Beto. We will be surprised as football fans, but we know Man City have the chance. So one chance that match, man, it's a 50-50 chance. You can take all chances not to win, and they all have the quality. City Mala the attack to win Man City. City Mala the attack that can break Arsenal's defense down. But Arsenal bank attack and City back at defense. Arsenal Mala defense but advantage in your because City back advantage in attack. So in this game, how they Jim Kidra, City will win because City Mal attack mal pressure gar Arsenal attack. But Arsenal attack man to shock pressure shell. City defense man to shock la pressure man. So this match I think it's a 50-50 match. We can take all chances, will win, and whoever wins, I'm sure will be the winner or the champion of the Premier League season 2025-26 season.
Okay, I can tell weekend ma Liverpool bazara nyela bon Guinea victory Fulham zo 2-0. Mr. Boy Radia no legend. And for many years to come, la bi Mario ma wula your OMB.
Next years to come, wherever Rio will be will depend on the coach. Whether this coach will continue with Liverpool next season or not, we don't know. We are not sure. But Rio he has been proven. He has been proven. And only that winner goal, first Premier League goal, Chelsea that penalty against Newcastle. After then, Madratum the coach to some trust put through in matches. But coach you know Romala Okaso trust in this young guy. But this young guy right now, Romala is the only active winger in the Liverpool setup. Because Gakpo is not up to a game. Florian Wirtz is not naturally a winger. So I expect a win shot from a winger. Definitely I could entirely from Florian Wirtz because normally go position number. So right now a winger Liverpool can rely on Abwar Naje is definitely Rio. And Rio Munde so much chance. Munde chance. He has a lot to prove because I'm going to go show that it's not a tapping. It's not a tapping because the work Shalom putting in to even the audacity to shoot the ball from that angle now the mentality the boy has. And when he coach to so much trust to so much game time, I'm sure Bima will be one of the young growing players or super young players the Premier League will have or the world football will have. And Mohamed Salah definitely a legend, scoring again, not a tapping, even though he's having a bad season. But you just have to give it to Mohamed Salah. And Liverpool playing a game and keeping a clean sheet. No, that was good. Because Mama Dashvili, you see a game whereby Mama Dashvili concede goals and you see the kind of save Sean am making. But the Fulham Daddy passed so much threat for this Liverpool team. And it's a good way to go, considering the fact that Liverpool still have to do a comeback in the Champions League.
Mohamed Salah Robertson yɛla ban yiri Liverpool ending of the season. Akpaamo puuni bɛ lan niriba ayi maa chani maa n yɛla dini to affect team maa.
Sure, for sure. Look, Mohamed Salah is a legend of the game, scoring 250 or so goals for Liverpool, 100 plus assists for Liverpool. Although it's not a joke, this is a legendary statistics. So Mohamed Salah, there is no way can Mohamed Salah. Mohamed Salah leaving, it will take Liverpool like 5 years or so. No doing a right replacement for Mohamed Salah if they are going to continue playing the natural style of football, unless they are trying to change, because there are rumors that the coach will be playing 4-4-2 formation next season. So maybe they will not be relying heavily on the left winger be Mohamed Salah ni natural style shall Mohamed Salah ni Yarma. They won't need so much from a player no nung the lab in Yarma, unless that Mohamed Salah in a modern football got a winger scoring goals competing with strikers. It shows how good Mohamed Salah is and how good he will be, or how important he was for this Liverpool team. So Mohamed Salah was joining 2017 coach joining Liverpool, and he's leaving in 2025-26 season. He's living as a legend. And Robertson on the other side, a defender having 70 assists or so. 70 assists as a defender. There are midfielders or attacking midfielders who don't have up to that. So Robertson Bazaha, his contribution in this Liverpool team, especially that uh, partnership between Omin and Trent Alexander-Arnold. When Liverpool break a counter attack, you see the ball floating from the flanks. It was very interesting, and I'm very glad I experienced that kind of partnership, because Tinyar strong partnership, maybe centre back partnership, great partnership as midfielders, be attacking midfielder, striker link up, but Bandenma operating from different wings, and how book connection man da Amalia Shama. It got to a point where Robertson mean Arnold Kaba challenger assist now. Kaba challenger the kind of assist now, even in quality of the assist that they are giving. So and Robertson can give a cross from the center of the field. That's outrageous. And he was a very good player. He's still a very good player. Maybe the Tonun could Premier League man because of the report. I think Tottenham are interested. Eh? Ntono could England because there are chances that Tottenham can also go to the championship or whatsoever. But these are two players who are very important in this Liverpool setup. Left to me alone, I would have kept them for one more year. The near money and make a decision, man. Now keep her for one more year because KK is not Kanama. KK is never to live up to Robertson standard, even for once.
But among who believe in maybe Robertson and Kekes
Yeah, sure. They are relying on Robertson. The new game, man. They are gaming it. So what if Keke is able to live up to that expectation? So Keke is not a kind of too many work under an experienced player like Robertson. But coach the man look starting spot take Keke, believing Robertson has nothing to offer again. Even left to me alone, man, I prefer Robertson starting the next Champions League match because of the experience, the pressing, and the defending he has. He's a very good player, and definitely, Benir by my affect Liverpool, most definitely. She require affect Liverpool.
How can I tell you Tottenham? When you have a relegation zone, a palm from the Tottenham season Martin now, the Benyalaban, you know, be able to look at relegation zone because the player being one, Mama Kudus, you know, being one.
Premier League, the England, politics money and play out. In Tottenham stay. But actually, what football is played on a pitch. Normally, the Shambhala match when I back man and coach Showens down now at Zebma, he's a Premier League proven coach. Because the listed in China, and he's a Premier League proven coach now. Because we all see what he did at Brighton. He's a young coach, young guy, and he has so many ideas. But time mad journey in those into CV Tottenham Kababachan relegation. That one too is another topic for another day, probably. So Tottenham, I'm sure they can escape. I'm not saying they would. I say they can. They can escape because when the remaining of their matches, I'm sure they will escape the relegation. But if not that, And Mohamed Kudus being there, he's injured. I don't know whether he has recovered or not. Because Odana Biala injuries. And Tottenham team has so many injuries. Injuries, my yeah. And that's what's affecting them.
No.
But ma deserve a pledge la wala of future to the club. Whether we can relegation, maybe we can relegation. He will still be the Tottenham coach next season. So whether Tottenham be Premier League next season, be Championship coming next season, they will still have De Zerbi as their coach, and that's a good thing. But I'm sure Tottenham they have what it takes, never escape relegation. But as to whether they can take advantage of the situation, it's left onto them.
How can I tell you Barcelona? When you have 9 points clear over Madrid. Akpama from Madrid na you have to lead the table. Like they should just give up.
Reality check. La Liga is done and dusted. La Liga don't want the competition, man. They never know law official, but Barcelona have been crowned the champions of La Liga, from my point of view. Because Anka Real Madrid net performance, it's not impressive, and I'm sure Madrid Mamangbaza, even though they cannot come out and tell us that La Liga ma fam, but La Liga ma for me, La Liga them fam since the day when Xabi Alonso. For me, since the day Xabi Alonso ni year Real Madrid team man, come and believing in the Liga them fam. So Madrid should just focus on the Champions League.
Okay, how can I tell you Ghana Premier League? Think you have lost a player. When you frame pong. When you don't break Chelsea. It's another attack match coverage and to make a kanaka and Robes attack waka frame pong young Kunyavla. A palm from like Bulaka board ma be GF, Wula Untuno, no be Wula Kuno to like and protected from loving Yaharma.
This one, the GFA responsibility. It's a responsibility for the Ghana government and the police and base security zone as a whole, because this is an armed robbery case, because one report to Shambhala. But me personally, I don't see it as armed robbery case, because ball cut a chance to make a kunna. So what's the essence of we being attacked to the point of one person being killed? But whatever, the world Ghana security in a big challenge to the sham because of the rules, this kind of things now. Tinyaram can be involved with football players or football teams. But no matter involved, then a football team yet to another better, it doesn't make it a new thing. Because robberies, depending that in different parts of the country, and the security need to wake up. And GFA never a serious collaboration with the security, being it police service or the armed forces, maybe my security can escort the team the match and matches can be in the team the makuna. But rest in peace to Dominic Frimpong.
Okay, chat cannot tell the Champions League. Last week, Champions League down here didn't big teams down here and lose super. So second league mean yellow didn't Tuesday, Wednesday. How can I tell the teams even that the team like Shabian the tone and come back?
Champions League, man, quarterfinal stage got a problem. So big teams do them problem. So I know big teams lose here. Big teams in that win. So this is just the Champions League for you. This is just the Champions League for you, because Bayern Munich jumped to Madrid 2-1 at the Bernabeu Stadium. I'm not even here to say that whether Madrid still have a chance to do a comeback or not. Madrid, you cannot write them off. You cannot. Madrid, maybe never to tell they always have something to prove. They always have something to prove. And that watch that match, especially the time Jude Bellingham the kind of impact Jude Bellingham making in the game, it was massive. Because Jude Bellingham the kind of pressing, big pressure Sheldon that position by Munich team as well. So I am only saying that another game, because they were all back to do the defensive works. Even though Madrid have a taban in Yarba, but they kind of pressing Shell Madrid in a pattern. They are not very impressive. So I'm sure in the next matches, because Coach Mayel Bellingham will be 100% fit to start the game. So we're still looking forward to that game, and the game between Atletico Madrid and Barcelona. Maybe then that match like a big team lose, because Barcelona is a bigger team than Atletico Madrid, and Barcelona playing at home and losing to Atletico Madrid was unacceptable. And I can't you red card shall be la reckless foul shall Kubasini the Cosma. It was something that could have been avoided, because that's just the last player. Let him score. You still have the chance to score. Just leave Kuchiloko chance to do. I don't do you still have the advantage via Mela players to score more, but I'm causing a foul man. You are now playing with 10 players and they have 11 players, one player advantage. So that was maybe Ora lack like Kubas lack like experience, man. And nearby Maldives, even Barcelona, Bamman they are making so many complaints about that match, man, and refereeing decision. They are never saw appeal and all love in Yaharmaza. But no matter what, the game is gone. The second leg, man, and the second leg will play at Wanda Metropolitano, Atletico Madrid home, and Barcelona can still do a comeback. In the game of Arsenal and Sporting, Arsenal Banda Chandler away to the Sporting 1-0, and Sporting Empire Arsenal home now. Even though Arsenal get 3 games and they are in a win or so, because Arsenal team we don't have so much trust in them again, because Abla me don't expect Revin Sharberson, because no one would have thought that Benamov can beat Arsenal at the Emirates. I will. The same place where I make Sporting, even though Benham Banyara beaten, but that's not an excuse. That's not an excuse. Arsenal Namala upper hand in the game, because they are leading. They have 1 goal advantage and they are playing at home. It's left onto them to play a football that will match the standard as a team, as Arsenal as a whole, because I don't see Arsenal Kabian to defend against Sporting. That would be very disappointing if Arsenal decided to defend like 1 goal, that. I see a game whereby a goal saying, that's what I see. And Liverpool and Paris Saint-Germain game, there's still a chance, because this is Anfield. Liverpool, you don't write them off, because until the Anfield, you remember the comeback that they did against Barcelona.
Yeah, 3-0.
Because Barcelona, Messi and Barcelona, let me just add it, because one of the greatest players was on the pitch for 90 minutes. But Liverpool, that 2 of their key players, Denmark, Firmino and Salah wasn't available, but still Liverpool did a comeback. But Liverpool, my squad shall never come back against Paris. Yes, of course, they have the squad that can do the comeback, but as to whether they can do it or not, it's all Desan Hakpan la coach master and the system of play shall against Paris in the second leg. So there's still so much more, because the Mala team shall not even qualify. When you look at your team qualify, all the teams still have a chance to do something in the second leg.
Okay, so on cover on a predict la game smart, maybe Atletico Madrid versus Barcelona will go through.
So that will be very difficult, because it's an Atletico Madrid and the Barcelona 4-0. Quelqu'un te defendra que Barcelona a dit 3 goals. Yeah. Short like 1. So if Kala same thing might play out, because Diego Simeone yala no mal plan. No me be change plan show man. Plan man yellow and Labana to defend the but then your plan yellow and defend them Barcelona will qualify. But I'm sure Atletico Madrid, I'm sure they will qualify, because Barcelona playing with one of their players out, key players out, Rafinha, because reports my Rafinha second leg my Rafinha being available, and Babakma Kubasi is one of the key players, and he won't be available too. It will definitely affect Barcelona. I see Atletico Madrid qualifying.
Okay, can't Liverpool mean PSG man.
Considering the current form of those teams, Paris will qualify.
Okay, what about Arsenal versus Sporting?
I see a miracle happening in this match. even though ka bigger miracle in the year, but I see Sporting qualifying ahead of Arsenal because of the current state of this Arsenal team. Arsenal team, so blame with Duroman in Yenisha. You don't know what to expect from Arsenal, but I see Sporting qualifying.
What about Bayern versus Real Madrid?
This is Real Madrid for you. I see Real Madrid qualifying, despite the fact that Bayern Munich are playing home with a goal advantage. I believe Madrid can still do a comeback.
What about the combine of the week?
Combine 11s.
Sorry, combine 11s. So
Where do we start? Yeah, team Pilgrim.
You could start team keeper from goalless to strike.
So team match it in first because combine 11 will do maybe between Paris and Liverpool. Between so match it and captain start first.
Okay, you could start team Paris Liverpool.
Paris keeper man, Paris keeper.
Mela keeper man.
Chavela be wala nyo you know. Be Savanov. Savanov Mamadaj. Paris my defense, so I will pick Savanov over Mamadaj.
What about the
center back pairing?
Yeah.
I'll pair McQueen was me Van Dijk.
What about the Muffle?
Not another defense.
So the left back, left back, right back.
Left back and right back. Hakimi and Nuno Mendes.
Okay, what about the center back?
The midfield, right?
So yeah, midfield.
Vitinha, Neves, and Florian Wirtz as the attacker midfielder.
Okay, what about the attack?
We have Kvaratskhelia, we have Dembele, and we have Desiree.
Okay. So Jakati Chantele Atlantico Madrid mine Barcelona. So let's go to
Atletico Madrid in Barcelona.
Yeah.
Atletico Madrid keeper, who is the keeper? I have a drop now.
Monsu.
But Garcia is still a top class, even though Garcia never knows down ball. But I'll pick Atletico Madrid keeper, Musso.
Okay, what about centre backs?
Centre back, Kubasi no absent. So centre back, Banam no available.
Araujo, Martinez, Cancelo, Kundi.
Araujo, Martinez,
and Cancelo, Kundi.
Okay. Atletico Madrid defense.
Molina, Linglet, Rubin.
The defense, but Atletico Madrid defense, but I don't know them much because indeed we follow Spanish football that much. And Barcelona got defense, man. Amboy, Cancelo, and Kunde, I believe will make the team. But Araujo was the man season map of so I'll combine two players from both sides. However, Kabiyam Chibomaga.
Okay, go check out the Ghana muffled, mommy.
There will certainly be Pedri. And Atletico Madrid.
Simon Lukman.
But the Massimo one is an attacker. So Atletico Madrid is but Barcelona will play more possession in the match. I'm very sure of it. Barcelona dominated game map, so Barcelona will have so much in the midfield. Pedri will do enough job, and I'm sure Fermin Lopez or whoever will be number 10 should Benandela shooting from outside because Atletico Madrid Bella defending line I shoot her from outside. But you rely heavily on Lamine Yamal. So probably let's just go to the Madrid Bayern Munich game.
Okay. So Madrid Bayern Munich. Let's start with it.
Definitely Manuel Neuer.
Yeah.
Manuel Neuer. Wow. Age is just a number. Manuel Neuer is a clear defense.
Can a center back, mommy?
Center back, man. We have defense, man. We shall. I'll pair Den Huysen and Upamecano.
Okay, left back, maybe right back.
Left back, I will play Carreras. Right back, I will play Trent Alexander-Arnold, considering performance that put out in the first leg.
Okay, can I tell him a full man?
Midfield, Joshua Kimmich and Chouameni as the two holding midfielders. I'll play Jude Bellingham as a number 10, considering that can making impact. Sherman. Olise on the left wing, Mbappe on the right wing, and Hurricane as the striker.
Okay. Zari punya first time ka anye video. This was Rajan they are follow ka like page on. Tinyela ba me mo pom te tinya.